Good morning, student. Today we'll study chapter 6 bar graph. Now, how you define bar graph? It's a chart or a graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars. So, this is the rectangular bars with the heights or the length which is proportional to the value they represent. This is just the example I have given how it looks bar graph. Now, we'll actually see the bar graph how it is. Now, this is related to the set 18. So, that is the first question. You can refer to the textbook page number 37. Now, here the question it is asked what data is shown on the vertical and horizontal line. So, which is the horizontal line? This, which represent x-axis and vertical line y-axis. So, the what is shown on the y-axis temperature and on the horizontal line. So, that is different cities are shown. Now next question, which city had the highest temperature? Now from this you can see which the height of the bar graph, the height it is important, it is bigger for which city? It is Chandrapur. Chandrapur. And what is the temperature? 35 degrees Celsius. So Chandrapur had the highest temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Why? It is written as the height of the bar corresponding to city Chandrapur is maximum. This is taller, na? Next it is said which city had equal maximum temperature. Equal, so that means the height should be equal. Now you can see Panchgani and Matheran, it is equal. The height it is equal. The temperature it is 25 degrees Celsius. And Pune and Nashik it has equal. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Now next it is said which city had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? Now only we have seen, na? This is Pune and Nashik. And next, what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Panchgani it is 25 and Chandrapur it is 35. So 35 minus 25, 10. So this is the question based on bar graph it is asked and we have to answer. Now we'll actually see how to draw the bar graph. Now student, the graph you will be drawing in the graph paper or in the graph book. If you have the graph book, draw in that, or if you have the graph paper, don't have the graph book, then draw in the graph paper. In the graph book, one side will be given as a graph and other side it will be a single line. So on the single line page you write the question and on the graph draw the graph. So here it is given as steps to draw the bar graph. This also you will write in the book. Now it is the first question it is there. So this is related to the set 19. It is given the names of the heads of some families in a village and the quantity of drinking water their family consumes in one day are given below. Draw the bar graph for this data. Scale it is given. On y axis 1 centimeter is 10 liters of the water. If you see the bar graph, see first it is in the center of the graph paper write the title. You have to write the title. What is the title? It is heads of the family and water used. Then this represent y axis, so that is a vertical line and horizontal line. What is the point of intersection? O. So that you do. See, this full it is a graph. Don't draw at the last, because if you draw there you will not be able to write these names. So leaving that line, whatever the one line it is inside, so that means this box. Okay, don't draw at the end. Here in the next box you draw. This is the first, this is the second. So in that box you draw. So leaving one box, what is the name of the head of the family? First one is Ramesh. Then leaving one box, it is Shobha. Then leaving one box, it is Ayub. Then leaving one box, it is Julie. Then afterwards, it is Rahul, like this. And it is said that 1 centimeter is 10. So that is in 1 centimeter, how many lines are there? That is a 10 lines are there. If you count small lines, it will be 10. So after 0, 10. So that is dark line will be 10. Then the next dark line will be 20. So difference of 10 it will be there. Then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, like this. And then what it is said, the quantity of drinking water consumed is taken on y-axis. Write the scale. So here it is written the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 liters of water. Then you have to draw the bar of appropriate height above the name of each head of the family. So here this is written like this. You have to draw it. Now come to the next question. It is there. Same way, the names and numbers of animals in a certain zoo are given below. Use the data to make a bar graph. Here scale it is given. What scale you have to take? 1 centimeter is equal to 4. So from 0 it will be 4. So the difference of 4 it is, after that 8, after that 12, then 16. So that is multiple of 4. Then 4 to the 8, 4 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, like this. Same thing on the x-axis, it will be the name of the animals. I said don't draw at the end. It will be, you must have seen the graph paper how it looks at is. Don't draw at the end. So that is leaving that line, you have to draw that. In the same way for the y-axis, don't draw at the last line. Leaving that line, in the inside line you draw. Then it is the number of animal is taken on the y-axis, and the name it is taken on the x-axis, which is at equal distance. Leaving one box, draw. Leaving one box, that means write the name. Leaving one box, write the name. Now for deer it is how much? 20. So that is 20. For tiger it is 4. For monkey it is 12. And then for rabbit it is 16, and for peacock it is 8. So in a similar way, students, you can do the third question. Third question, it is not that much difficult. You can do the third question. Then in the next video I will explain you how to do 4, 5 and the 6.